Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Achieving Wealth Effortlessly. Today's manifestation is getting my car together so that I can maneuver the way I want to. So the other day I had this intuition to get up and just work on my car, right? Didn't do it till the afternoon, right? I had this gut feeling, You gotta go with your first feeling. I had a gut feeling. I gotta do something with this car, gotta do something with this car. And it was a tune-up or whatever. And so I said just go, right? And then before I actually ended up going within the same day, maybe 3-4 hours after I woke up, I'm driving around, the service engine light come on. I'm like, oh, I must have attracted this. So be careful, because your intuition is like very strong for you to work on it, but it can be stronger if you don't realize how you maneuver it. So yes, I had to fix the car, but the way I was bringing in their energy, I'm assuming that I projected that the engine light pop up. Go there, tune up, whatever. And, they checked it and it was one of the things that needed to be fixed in the front of my hood. I was like, okay, cool. That was intuition. Then I went to go get the oils changed. It comes with an oil change. And, I'm like, I got this kick in the car. Like I just kick. Like, I don't know what it is. I'm still, amateur to the car life. But coming to find out I had no transmission oil. Gave it the kicking or whatever. So what I did was, I was like, you know what? I was just being grateful. Like, it was a reason why I woke up, because there's things that could happen to the car when you don't tend to those type of things. And I just bought this car, so it came with a couple of these issues. So long story short, my car, her name is Synchronicity. Everything is aligned for my manifestation. Synchronicity. So Synchronicity has aura colors and everything. You press the button, it changes the color of the cup holder and the floors. It turns like to turquoise and things of that nature. And the car that I realized that I wanted, I wrote down, and it was her. I didn't talk about the color of the car or nothing, but everything that is inside, heated seats, it takes me to where I need to go to retrieve all my dreams. I found a business partner of my life, on my way to get this car and things of that nature. And it's amazing. And today's thing is, another thing I had to do. I went to a guy, order alignment, still moving and shaking. The guy's like, your brakes, you got to work on it. So I'm like, all right, cool. I'm gonna come back and do it, and the following week. Long story short, not even a week, the next day my brakes go out after he told me. So I was like, it's a blessing that he told me these things. I knew what to expect. I heard the sound when your brakes are going out. You hear like a grinding. It don't sound like a normal brake. You shouldn't hear nothing when you're driving. Well, right now he's fixing my brakes, and he fixed out another little issue that was in the front of my car and stuff, so which is cool. And I feel like when you manifest, you got to be happy in your car too. It's my home. I do a lot of business in my car. I have my business goals, everything in here. I have my post-its on here. There's only a couple left. It was about 30 of them things up on the window. Now it's only about 1, 2, 3, 4. So I achieved a lot of dreams. So I'm about to redo them and put the other ones up. So now I just bought like a car wheel. So right now I'm just putting the car wheel on. It's really cute. We got some glitter to it. I don't know if you can see it. It's got some glitter. So right now I'm trying to put it on. And sometimes I'm using this analogy as, you got to be ready to do some things to achieve the dreams that you want in your life. So I'm going to just sit this up like this so you guys can see. So this right here, I'm having some trouble putting it on. So sometimes you got to do things yourself to make sure things happen. But you also need a team. So I was struggling putting this on. I don't know if you ever try to put a steering wheel on, but I use this analogy in life. You're trying to manifest. Don't give up when it gets a little too tough. Because this thing right here, very hard to put on. But I think I almost got it. I thought it didn't fit. And I got it! Yo, I knew it. Like, I was like, because it didn't fit on the wheel. That's the crazy thing. But I was so determined. I'm like, this wheel gotta fit. It was so tight. Anyways, guys, I'm excited. So, you want to manifest because things will make you happy. Look, you can tell my favorite color, right? See the pink? So this is so cool, my lipstick. So cool. So I bought the car mount too, so I can go live. While I'm in the car, my car mount broke. Go and replace it immediately. When you manifesting something breaks, fix it and keep on moving. Got car mats and need a car mat, so I'm gonna get a washers for the car, you know, a little car wash, and go from there. But I want you guys to see, this is the next book I'm in, The Secrets of Wealth. You see The Secret? Brian Tracy and I are doing a co-author book, and I'm super excited about it. And I'm in this book because I manifested. I achieved my dreams by thinking it before I actually did it. You know what I mean? Like, you have to really close your eyes and see it. So I achieved these dreams by consistently living my life like an ant. Living my life like an ant. Meaning, if there's a hurdle in front of me, I either go over it, go around it, or eat through it. This wheel literally was so hard to put on. Like, I was tussing. I was like, you know what? Let me go live about this on my YouTube, because this is serious. Like, when you want something, no matter what, like, this is going to make me happier. Why did I do this wheel? You think it's more about the wheel? No, it's about my happiness. Yes, you can get happiness from a car wheel. Whatever you're happy is what you manifest. Whatever you're happy is what you manifest. You happy about this, you gonna get more things. Well, that made me feel good. What else do I need? A car that's gonna make me feel good? What house do I want? What new couch do I want? What's gonna make me feel good? So when I'm dreaming my dreams, I feel good at that time. You don't want to be in a whole slumpy mood, you know, because a lot of things around you isn't going the way you want it to go. You got to create that environment. Right now, we in a system that's happening right now that's allowing us to be more grateful, right? We're in this, like, this whole life, this new life that we're living. And we have to take this for what it is, because we cannot think of it as more. Things are happening, we just got to go around it. You got to go through it, or you got to eat through it. You know what I mean? Climate, eat through it, or go around it. So this is serious. I'm just like, you know, a lot of people ask me how I feel, you know, how you stay positive through all this. By doing it, because I know God gave us faith, right? We have faith. Those of you that really, really believe in God and really believe in spirituality and believing in the universe and things of that nature, guys, know that this is serious. Like, you have to have that faith. You got to keep your happy. Whatever makes you happy, stay at that state of mind, because a disease, what's disease? Disease, a disease. That's what that is. If you have a disease in your body, it's because your body's not happy. You got to be happy at all times. People have cured cancer through happiness. Just FYI. So, if you don't know too much about that, look up the placebo effect. It was a sugar pill given to patients that thought they had an illness. And when they gave them the pill, they thought so much that this pill was working, that they healed themselves, and it was just sugar. What are we doing to keep our happy? Make your happy list. I'm happy because I could go live without propping it up. That makes me happy. You know what I mean? And getting some car mats so I don't leave dirt spots on my car. I have a cleaning company. I'm very OCD with cleaning. Like, you know, I took out the mats because when I bought this car with somebody else's mats, so I took their energy out so I could replace it with the and you know, it's clean. So I did that, and it made me happy. I've been putting it off for a little while, you know, stuff like that. So I just want to thank you guys for tuning in to Achieving Wealth Effortlessly. Figure out what's your happy list, okay? So you can manifest a lot better. Take care.